as I told you children, the word bisection here means it is made up of two words. One is bi and the other word is sect. Bi means two and sect means section or part. So we have to divide here a line segment of the given length, and we have to divide that line segment into two equal parts. So bisecting a line segments means dividing the line segments into two equal parts. So let us see how we will solve this question children. We'll first make a line segment which measures 5 centimeter. I hope you all can make a line segment 5 centimeter long comfortably, and we'll give it some name. Let us say that this line segment is AB, which is 5 centimeter long. Now to bisect this line segment, bisection means, as I told you, dividing the line segment into two equal parts. So to bisect it, what we'll do, we'll keep the steel point of our compass on A, this way. And we will take more than half of this line segment. We will not measure more than half. We can just estimate. We can extend our compass for more than half of the line. Right, children? After we have extended it for more than half, we will from point A, we'll cut an arc above the line this way, and then from the same point, we will cut an arc below the line. Remember, we are not going to change the arc of our compass. Once we have extended it for more than half, you cannot change the arc again or adjust it. Okay, so from that arc which we have taken, we will make two arcs, one above the line and one below the line. After we have made two arcs, we'll keep our compass on B, this way. After we keep it on B, we'll cut an arc below the line and we'll cut an arc above the line. You can see this, my arc above is not getting intersected. So what I'll do, from A, I will cut an arc again. I'll extend my arc a little so that I get a point of intersection. You can see both the arcs are cutting each other. We'll take our ruler now and we will join both of these cuts. We'll make a line segment which joins both of these cuts. This way we'll place our ruler. Can you understand what I am doing? And then we will draw a line this way. So children, this point which is cutting the line segment AB is point O, and our line is divided into two equal parts, and the part on the left is 2.5 centimeter and also the part on the right is 2.5 centimeter long, and our line is divided into two equal parts. And we will also write the result of our construction. We will write AO is equals to OB is equals to 2.5 centimeter. This is the result of our construction. Give me a minute.